Pablo, you gonna go swimming now? Yeah? You could go swimming now. Are you gonna go swimming? He's so serious. He's actually so. He feels all tired. Good boy. Yeah. You go swimming. I recorded that and it didn't bloody. You know what I like recording? It's so funny, makes me laugh. You know when you're having a bad day and you see him swim round and round and round. You're gonna swim now.
He's amazing today. Also, look at him.
I know, he just dipped it. He likes it. It's nice and warm. He's floating.
Will you try this direction?
Okay.
Now?
Ready?
See how it works.
Come on in. Come on in, this way. Good boy. Look. What's this?
Hello.
Pablo. This way. He always does it.
Alright, we're still going to try to make a turn.
Yeah, this way. Come.
Pablo.
Pablo, this way. Come on, this way. Look, what's Mummy got? Quick.
No.
Come. Come on in. Come on in. Good boy. Good boy. He's really using his back legs, you know. Come on then. His little legs. Come on then, quick. No, this way. This way, quick, this way, this way. This way. Pablo, this way. Look. Oh wait, this way.
Go away.
Go, yeah. Come then, quick. Come on, quick. This way. Come. Look. Look. He should really use the other way, shouldn't he?
That's okay. We're going to do that.
Yeah, I think you've done so well. You did so well, Bubba. Didn't you? Yeah.